In this video, we will discuss editing parcels. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file editingparcels.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this Dataset video. Civil 3D provides easy methods to editing your parcels. Let's first look at the intersection of some of our alignment and parcels. Let's say we realize we made a mistake and we want to get rid of the actual chamfer here at each of the intersections of these parcel boundaries. Let's go ahead and select our parcel segment and choose Parcel Layout Tools. Let's contract the dialog to get the parcel parameters out of the way. And what we want to do is simply select the Delete Subentity tool. We'll go ahead and delete these objects right here. Notice how the labels are being removed. And the parcel area labels will also get updated automatically. So now we have those 4 areas deleted. Press Enter to end the command and then select Exit. Now we need to fix the parcel segments so they extend to the parcel boundary right here. This is pretty simple to do using standard AutoCAD grip editing. Go ahead and select your object, and using grip editing, just simply use the extension OSnap to snap it to the intersection of that parcel. What you'll notice is that the parcel segments will update automatically. Make sure you acquire that point, and then using extension, and now that's going to update automatically. We'll pick this grip here, snap, select this object, pick the grip, and then snap. And again, notice how the labels will update automatically. As we're making edits here, we notice that some of the labels are starting to either A, disappear, or they have the wrong labels. So how can we actually change them so they're all single family labels and using the right label style as well? So to do so, navigate to your sites, and then phase 1, and then expand your parcels. Sometimes you need to right click on here and choose refresh to update this in here. As you click on each individual parcel, you'll notice that it updates with a preview. So we want to select this one first, so right click, select, notice how it gets selected. What you can also do is simply navigate to all of these here. I'm going to actually right click and select that one as well, because that's not a roadway parcel. Right click on this one and choose select. Right click on this one and choose select. So now we have these objects selected. And now what we have to do is simply navigate to the properties palette, change our style to single family, and then change the area label style to name, square foot, and acres. And now those are updating. And again, right click on here and choose refresh to update the view. Now what we want to do is we want to make sure that we get the roadway areas and make sure those are on the right style and area label style. So right click on this one and choose select. Select this one here, just verifying. Select that one. And then lastly here, we'll select this one as well. So now I have the roadway area selected. And let's go ahead and navigate to the properties palette and change this one to road. And then change our area label style to no display. Press escape to clear your selection set. Just repeating this process, we'll select these objects here and change their appropriate parcel style and label style. And now we have completed the edits there. Let's zoom into our area over here, and let's say we realize this angle point is unnecessary. To delete a PI, simply select the parcel segment you want to edit, navigate to the Parcel Layout Tools, and this is the PI dropdown. Click Delete PI and just pick anywhere near it, and it'll automatically update all the parcel segments. Now, while we have this dialog box open, let's say we actually want to edit this swing line. On the Parcel Layout Tools, let's click on Swing Line Edit. You're prompted to define the default styles and label styles. We'll click OK with the defaults. You can also define what you want for the parcel sizing, for the minimum area, the frontage offset, and so on. Let's click the line that we want to edit. And then now we need to pick near the parcel we want to adjust, which is this one here. We'll click over here. And then now we're defining the frontage again. So we'll go ahead and snap to this point here. And we'll snap to, let's say, the end point here. And now we're defining a new swing point. So let's say our swing point is over here. That's the edit we want to make. Click yes. And there's the update to the swing line edit. So lastly, if you select any of the parcel segments on this side, depending on how they were created, you'll get specific grips allowing you to edit them as well. So this was created with the slide line. So if I go ahead and just click on this, I can modify the parcel leg. If you delete any of these segments, that label will update automatically and the parcels will update automatically. Just really easy ways to make edits to parcels.